students, welcome to class. Today we are going to go to a group on Facebook called What Broke Vegans Eat. And the reason I'm smiling is because every time I go there, I have a good time. Do you know why? Because they're not pretentious. This is an example of just regular people. Many of them have very little money, but their hearts are in the right place. They don't want to hurt animals, and they are living proof that you can be vegan if you actually care beyond yourself, even if you have very little money. So let's look at a bunch of these. I haven't seen them yet, so I'm just going to discover them with you. And the first one that I saw as I opened the group, see, it opens up right here. By the way, yeah, they have 261,000 members. And one of the rules is that you have to post food. Otherwise, they will not publish your post. It absolutely has to have vegan food, and then you can kind of write whatever you want. So I guess this person had kind of a sense of humor. I'm imagining that they dropped that on the floor. It's too bad. But then they had enough of a sense of humor to be like, you know what, I'm going to post a picture of this and put it on the group. So there's 32 comments there. I don't know what they say, but the debate is torture. Oh, that's so funny. Like, what do you do? Do you eat it anyway? Oh, it's on a carpet, so it probably has like bits of whatever sand in the carpet. It's not like it's a brand new, freshly cleaned floor and you can kind of scoop it up. But you know, you hate wasting food. These people, like I said, some of them are very, very poor. And, you know, so I don't know. Anyway, this is the group. I want you to go and look at this group, you know, and try and sign up for it and learn some stuff and, you know, give them some encouragement. Okay, here's one. Messy vegan air fryer nachos I made for my boyfriend. All right, so there you go. You see, people are just taking normal pictures of their food. The lighting isn't perfect. And what have we got here? This looks like guacamole. This is probably vegan cheese made by, you soak cashews and you blend them up and you put all kinds of flavorings in there like noosh, but it's probably explained. But see, somebody's writing here, oh my, and a bunch of hearts, and it looks so good. And for me too, I would eat this. There's nachos on the bottom. Just scoop them up, or I guess maybe they're not on the bottom. No, that's probably just is that just the dip? What is that? Anyway, vegan air fryer nachos. Whatever. It sounds good. What I would eat it. Okay, now what else do we got? Decorated soy tacos and guacamole. Why not? Look what a nice job he or she did. Who is this? Monica. Put all these nice little radishes. This is probably guacamole in here. This might be some vegan meat in here. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so people are from all over the world who join this group. I think the person, I know the person who started the group is based in the United States, more on the East Coast. Yeah, you can just go no matter where you are in the world. Okay, what's this? White rice, $1.50. Pinto beans, 99 cents. Fried plantain, $1 for 2. Creates 3 meals for less than $4. Wow. Yeah, and you've got protein there. You've got some rice and you've got some pinto beans. Good job. What's it say? Puerto Rican food. Oh, okay. I would eat that. Somebody writes here, I grew up on pinto beans and cornbread, Tennessee, USA. I've never tried fried plantain, but I want to. This looks delicious. Oh, that's so good when they're encouraging each other. Somebody named Darnell here. Okay. Just egg, diet cheese, and vegan bacon wrap. Off to work. Okay, so you get a pita bread, or this is like a tortilla, and just egg is something that you can buy in a jar, and it's like liquid, like picture when you scramble up eggs, the consistency. So you just pour it in the frying pan and you whip that up, and no animals needed to be harmed. And this is vegan bacon, and there's some vegan cheese there, and you just roll that up, and there you go. You see, it's totally possible to be vegan. You don't have to go to places like McDonald's or Burger King for your breakfast. You just do that at home. It's super fast. Oops. Now, personally, I would not really be eating something like this on a regular basis because it doesn't have any... oh, what happened here? Did I screw something up? Oh, there we go. It doesn't have a lot of whole foods in it. I typically eat whole foods. Like beside me right now, this is my breakfast I'm actually eating. It's in a cup that says cow's milk, is for baby cows. But what's in here is oatmeal. And there's oats, there's chia seeds, there's flax seeds, and there's frozen blueberries and frozen cranberries, if you could see. And what else is in there? Bananas squished up and mashed up dates that give it flavor. I put that in the machine and it stirs it all up. And that's what I use instead of sugar, and just some walnuts. So yeah, it's super easy to do. This is not expensive either. But it's more whole foods what I'm eating. But still, you know, this is not a health food group. This is a group called What Broke Vegans Eat. That's all they're trying to do. And somebody's asking, which bacon did you use? And so on. Yeah, so what else? Transportable meal ideas. I'm in a long distance relationship, so my boo and I are having to meet halfway in London, but we can't afford to go out and eat there and don't have access to cooking facilities, so I'm having to bring at least a couple of meals for us to reduce spending. Any ideas for easy transportable meals that will keep? Foraged saffron milk cup mushrooms on bread for food pick tax. Okay, so what they talk about when they say food picture tax, in order, like I said before, in order to be able to post something, you have to have some kind of food and explain what it is. So this person is actually asking for help for some different ideas. And let's see what there is. 23 comments. And I'm not going to open them all, but what's it say here? Okay. All very cheap, tasty, and transportable. Also, if you're feeling lazy, olives, hummus, baba ganoush, and most Eastern European shops stock multiple types of mushroom pate. Cool. What's this? Okay. What about vegan tuna salad today? So this is something that looks like tuna, but you don't have to hurt any animals in order to prepare it. So it says here, try this delicious high protein recipe with chickpeas. Yes. Homemade mayo. All right. An ingredient that gives the sea flavor, etc. This vegan tuna salad goes amazing with kale, as a spread on bread, with beetroot, salad, etc. Recipe in the comments. Okay. Oh, here. Got oats in my teeth. Sorry. High protein vegan tuna salad. Very cool. So you see, you get lots of tips here. What's this? My sister prepared today the traditional Greek Christmas cookies, vegan, fluffy, kourabides, with a rich flavor of vegan butter. Yes, wonderful. Anybody knows this Greek Christmas delicacy? All right, recipe in comments. Cool. And there it is. Nice tip. What's this? It looks like toast. What's this? Hi everyone, quick question. Those of you who have Sam's Clubs or Costco memberships, which one do you prefer as a vegan? Which has the most options for vegans and better prices? I'm looking at getting membership for one, but I've never stopped really at either, so I'm unsure as to which one to go with, and which has more better options for vegans. And then picture. So again, this is like food tax. So the picture is of cinnamon toast for attention. Cinnamon toast is vegan. Okay, what kind of, oh my, 31 comments here. Somebody writes, definitely depends on where you live. All locations of both have different items. For me, the Sam's doesn't have as much, so I go to Costco. Anyway, I don't even know what Sam's is. We have Costco here in Montreal, but I don't know if we have Sam's or not. Okay, something here. Cinnamon, pecan, and maple walnut biscotti. All right. Again, what I love about this is that, you know, they're not super perfect. I kind of cut here at the end a bit. But, you know, this is life. This is what a normal vegan meal would look like. Kind of, you know, a bit disheveled here, but it looks good. I would totally eat that. Definitely. See, someone says, wow, it looks amazing. And this person has a cat with a bowl saying, give me some. All right. Caramel croissant monkey bread. Oh, this looks so good. Hmm? Homemade vegan croissant dough, folded with cinnamon brown sugar, layered with vanilla bean caramel and pecan shortbread streusel. Oh, I love anything with cinnamon that's gooey like that, caramelly. Oh gosh, that looks so good. Somebody, that looks delicious. That looks delicious. Everyone saying the same thing. All right, what's this? I came up with a new recipe today, and I think it's definitely a keeper. Vegan lemon blueberry corn cake donuts with lemon zest icing. That's so cute. She, Mary Beth, took a little bit of time for the presentation there, put a few little blueberries there on the plate. Oh, like those look so good. Come on, who wouldn't eat those? You could just eat 3 in one shot. Just yum. What's this? Curry rice with bittersweet cauliflower. Isn't that cool? It looks like it could be some sort of chicken, right? But no animals were harmed. This is what's great about vegan food. You don't have to hurt any animals. You don't have to buy eggs. You don't have to buy milk. You don't have to buy any kind of meat. Everything is available in a vegan form. Look at that. Yum! I mean, who wouldn't want to just devour that? If you put that in front of me, I would just eat it in 2 seconds. Recipe, please, someone's saying. All right, so I guess this is, when was this? 13 hours ago. All right, no, they're just waiting for the recipe. Okay, what's this say? Louis, I don't know what I made. That sounds like me. Whenever my kids would come home, what's for dinner? I was like, I don't know. It's just a bunch of stuff. Like, it's not a thing, you know? It's like a bunch of veggies, a bunch of fruits, a bunch of dates and nuts, and something mixed together with some spices. Just eat it. I don't know what I made, but it was delicious at 2 a.m. Chamomile tea to cool off that Thai chili pepper I used in this. It's so cute. I don't know what I made. What's this? Lara Polly. I'm so frustrated. I bought potato chips thinking they were vegan, and they were made in pure lard. Oh no. Lard is pig fat. Aww. 100% melted animal fat. I wondered why I don't like them, and then they started to give me a headache. We really do have to read everything. Here's a video of my homemade vegan egg yolk per rules. It's nice. So remember, this has no egg yolk in it. Anytime they say eggs, they don't mean that. They mean that they've made it with using other ingredients. So Sarah Polly made a really good point. It's so important to check the label. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. You gotta check. If it says milk, don't buy it. If it says lard, don't buy it. If it says any kind of animal product, don't buy it. Don't buy it. If it says eggs, you get the idea. Oh, I feel bad for her. Okay. What's this one? Jackfruit pot roast, great comfort food. Oh, look at that. You know, the meat is actually something called jackfruit. And I had never tasted jackfruit until I became vegan. This is what's so great about becoming vegan, because you start trying all these new foods that you never tried before. I mean, doesn't this look delicious? It just looks so like comfort food, like warm in the belly. Yes, exactly. It just makes you feel like an internal hug. Anyway, you guys get the idea. This is a great group. Let's just look at one more thing here. Chocolate fudge cake with strawberry puree filling and chocolate buttercream. I made for a friend's birthday, all vegan. How sweet is that? If it was my birthday and you showed up with this, I would probably burst into tears of happiness. Just the amount of work that goes into it. So sweet. And to make it vegan, it's just the nicest thing. Look how good this looks. Anyways, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead. This one, What Broke Vegans Eat. And to my channel here, which is That Vegan Teacher here on YouTube. Subscribe. Do you see below? Do you see below the subscribe button? And then beside it is a notification bell. So press that as well, because we want to stop the animals from going to hell. And when I say that, I mean the hell that they are living in right now. We want to get them out of hell, because they live in holocaust-like conditions right now. And it's just so awful. And look, you don't have to contribute to it. So press the notification bell, help me get the animals out of hell, and I will see you all in the next video. But coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on those, be curious, write some comments below, tell me about your recipes that you like, vegan recipes, of course, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everyone. Don't forget to give yourself a big hug, okay? Remember, big hug every day, because I know you're trying hard. I know you're trying your best. Just keep trying, get those clicks. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Remember that you are your own best friend, because people come and go in your life. You're always there. So treat yourself well. Sit up straight, be proud, go through life with your sleeves rolled up, ready for the fight, but ready also to give hugs to yourself and to others who are also trying hard. Bye for now. Do 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 do.